Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how you can keep your jump pack here charged up, ready to go. Keep it in your vehicle so it's ready to go at a moment's notice. Now, for this idea that I've got to work, you're going to have one that's got this manual disconnect switch that switches in and out the either the positive or negative. It doesn't matter which one it switches. More than likely we're going to switch the positive lead. So I've already got the screws out of this. We'll just go ahead and get her opened up here, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. We're just going to add a little 5-cent part here to get this to where we can keep it hooked up, and even if the battery dies, we still should have a fully charged jump pack that we are using the alternator of the vehicle to charge. And basically all that part is this here, the Lowly rectifier diode. This is a 10 amp diode, nothing fancy, just get you a diode, that's all you need. And what we're going to do is we're going to tie this diode to the battery and to the load side of our switch here, so we can backfeed these cables and use the alternator of the vehicle to charge our battery. But when the vehicle is shut off, this diode, it's going to act like a check valve. It's going to allow our battery voltage or our alternator voltage to come in and keep this battery topped off, but it's not going to allow the battery to backfeed until we turn the switch here on the front. We'll turn that on, and that will allow our current to flow out of our lead and into our battery to start it. And that's all we're gonna do, guys. So let me get this set up here with some terminal ends and make it look pretty, and I'll show you right here how I hook it up and how this actually is going to work. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we've got our diode in place here with our band facing the battery, so it's going to keep our battery from backfeeding. We've got no silliness going on the front. Yep, looks good. Alright, now to demonstrate, I'm just going to clip this up to my little bench power supply here. And we got that set at about 14 volts, 5 amps. And there we go. And we are in the off position. And it is charging. I mean, it's pretty well full charge, but now if we turn this off, our voltage on our power supply will go to 0. Yes, it does, because we are not backfeeding current. So we turn this on. Now we see our battery voltage here, 13.16. So that looks like a successful test. So now what we can do is we can just keep this hooked up in our vehicle to a battery source, or just if you've got room under the hood, we can just throw it under the hood with the leads clipped on, and it's always being charged up, so it's always ready to go for you there, guys. Something to think about. Just that little diode's all you need. Little 10 amp rectifier diode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Come back for more awesome content.